I'm super late. I'm so sorry, but of course I've been really busy. But I just wanted to say happy Halloween, and I hope you all enjoyed spending your time at home or doing whatever you needed to do during this quarantine time. But I am going with a kind of gross, scary look today. This wasn't what I planned on for my final Halloween look, but it is what it is. I am starting off with melting some thermoplastic beads and molding it into kind of broken metal pieces, and of course I roll into the usual base of the latex and flour, and you're mixing it until it's like a creamy kind of pudding paste, and I'm laying that over my face cast, mask, whatever you want to call this. You basically can do whatever you want with it. I of course went overboard, but I was really excited when I had bought these resin teeth last year, which I wanted to do some type of look with it, but I never got a chance to. So of course, since this was a requested zombie look, I wanted to kind of use them. So I added some cotton for texture and a little bit of extra paste, so when I stick the teeth in the latex, it will dry and stay in place. If you're doing anything over the eye, you want to make sure you have some type of way you can see if you're walking around at night. This one kind of gets in the way of your vision, but you still can function normal. But just make sure your eyes aren't completely covered, and when you're applying it, make sure you don't get any latex or anything inside your eyes, of course. So just be really careful and be mindful of your holes and airways, whatever it is you need. I did want to cover my mouth a little bit more, but I also wanted to be able to speak and breathe and eat and do whatever I wanted to do. So I only did the bottom half of my jaw, and I didn't want it to go too deep into my mouth because I don't want to eat the latex, and I didn't want to seal it like that close into my mouth. So again, just be mindful of what you're doing and where you're placing everything. I had a bunch of shards, so I just kind of stuck them all over the place and on my face, and I'm adding hot glue for more texture and more, I don't know, peely skin zombie vibes. When it comes time to removing your latex bits and pieces, just be really careful, and of course add some baby powder or flour to make sure everything's dry so it doesn't stick to itself. So my mic's not really working, and it's giving me a really hard time, and I did this like 50 times, so I'm gonna end this voiceover here and you guys can watch the rest of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you guys enjoyed your Halloween, and I guess Kandy's October. Of course it didn't pan out the way it was expected or planned, but I already kind of had a feeling it wasn't going to. But I guess have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon whenever you're watching, and I will see you lovelies next time.